Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine, and this is the older model with the two position switch, high and low. Right now it's in low, and if it's in two it's in high. And it's part of the way this machine is designed is to leak a little bit because there's nothing to stop it from overheating. Unlike the newer model, which has a pressure stat or pressure sensor that automatically turns the heating element off once it reaches the desired amount of pressure, which is about 1 bar. So this customer asked me to install a new valve, and I don't know that it makes much difference whether you have the old style, which is to have the metal ball like this, which was what was in there, or if you use the new style, which is to use the spring. The metal ball also has a spring and the nylon piece like this. So I'd be interested in hearing people's comments. There's even a different style for the Europiccola, but I find that those don't tend to work as well with these two position switch models. I don't think they're designed for the heat level, but I'd be interested in hearing people's comments below, which valve you prefer in the two position switch, and even if you prefer the newer model. But this is kind of the in-between model that was recommended to me by Pavoni, and the original model was the metal ball, and then the newer model, which is the this guy here with the gaskets that seat. And this is what's in the new machines. But I noticed that these tend to leak more, so I'd be really interested in seeing people's comments below. But let's go ahead and pour a shot. I really need 2 cups on this one. Missing my shot glass a little bit. But you can see we're getting good crema. Even though I missed with a little bit of crema. Nice shot of espresso. And then let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.